What if? Two small words with infinite possibilities. What if gives skincare a much-needed makeover? It surprises us, makes us curious, and opens our minds to something that's never been done before. What if we melted a jar of cream into a toner? What if we smashed a lip balm with a sleeping mask? What if we broke down hyaluronic acid so it goes deeper into the skin? What if has the power to make the complicated simple? Freeing us from rigid rules, giving us the possibility to effortlessly feel like ourselves. And asking what if is just the beginning, because the more we wonder, the more wonders will open. Open to wonder. Laneige.